guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 things you should definitely know before getting a pet. I mean, on Instagram videos they look so adorable, and trust me, that will be the best decision of your life. But you should definitely know about these 5 things before getting a pet, because nobody else is going to tell you that. And if you want to know that, all you have to do is keep on watching this video. Now, number one, make sure that you have enough savings. These little bundle of joys are going to follow you everywhere. It's so adorable. But then their food, their vaccination, their treats, their grooming, that cost you a lot. Especially their toys, they're so expensive. And these are their basic things you would definitely need. So make sure that you have enough savings for that. Especially initially, जब उनके vaccination चल रहे होते, they're a bit costly. And also depends upon breed to breed. Some breed sheds a lot, so unke liye you have to get these de-shedding treatments. There's so much that goes behind, so make sure that you have enough savings. Now, number 2, cleaning. I mean, before Ellie came to our life, we used to think कि हमारा घर बहुत ज़्यादा साफ है, but then later Ellie was like, no, because she can literally see the little tiny things and she'll eat them, and then we had to start cleaning our house literally twice a day. And आपको पता है कि लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर वी यूज्ड टू बी सो लेजी, समटाइम्स वी वुड क्लीन लाइक इन 2 or 3 days and we were like it's okay, हम ही तो है. But now because Ellie is home, we have to clean twice a day. And oh my god, initially we thought कि यार how will we do this? And then we decided to get Dyson V11 for our house, and trust me, that changed our life in so many amazing ways. And now cleaning is super easy, and also it's super fun. So we clean Ellie's bed, our bed, literally everything, and now Ellie doesn't have anything to eat. So yeah, that's the best part. So that's Ellie. I mean, आप लोगों ने उसको काफ़ी vlogs में देखा ही है, but yes, here she is. And of course, जब से वो आई है, we have to clean so much. But Dyson has made our life really easy. The new Dyson V11 Absolute is cord-free vacuum, and it comes with 2 click-in batteries pack, and runtime is 120 minutes, which is amazing. The vacuum is fully sealed filtration system, captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and it gives you like a cleaner place. It's super easy to use. चाहे आपको floor clean करना हो, your sofas, your fans, literally anything you want to clean, आप सब इससे बहुत ही easily कर सकते हैं. And we make sure we clean Ellie's bed literally every day. So it comes with different heads to clean different things. So even if you have like छोटा सा कोई area you want to clean, you can easily clean with this, and it's super easy to do. Like anybody can do. And this brush, like this head, basically gives you this nice mopping wala feeling, which I really like, and it is amazing. This also got this LCD screen which reports the real time, and the onboard screen shows current performance including the selected power mode or remaining runtime. So these are the different kind of heads it comes with, and you can take a demo class where they tell you when to use, what to use, and everything so nicely. And it's the best thing I have invested in. Now, number 3, you need to have lots of patience, because initially you're going to lose your sleep. You have to keep an eye on them literally all the time, because kabhi wo kuch kha lenge, kabhi you have to train them for potty training and everything. Oh my god, so you have to be very patient, because especially I think initially 2 months we didn't know where they went, because it was just like we all were just looking at Ellie and what is she doing, where she's going, what she's eating, everything. So make sure you're very patient. And I will also tell you one thing, that more than training them, initially, make sure you start making this bond with them. You need to have this really nice bond, and then उनको कुछ भी सिखाना बहुत easy हो जाता है. Now, number 4, before getting a pet, know about the breed you want to get. Like आपके घर के हिसाब से you should know कि ये वाला जो pet है वो fit होगा हमारे घर में कि नहीं. Like we have a small 2-bedroom house, and we knew I wanted a tiny dog, because हमारा कोई dog बड़ा होगा तो उसके लिए हमको space चाहिए होगी, and we didn't have that much space. So that's why we opted for Ellie. We did our whole research on Google. So may the So make sure that you do like full research on Google कि आपके लिए आपके हिसाब से कौन सा पेट अच्छा रहेगा. Because my mom got like these allergy issues, so we were looking for a hypoallergic dog. So Maltese are hypoallergic dogs. They don't shed much, they don't drool. So according to what will fit you, उसके हिसाब से पूरा अच्छे से Google करो. Go to these pet cafes. I know अभी तो lockdown है, but make sure that you go to these pet cafes, look at other dogs or speak to pet owners. They'll tell you more about it because सबका experience बहुत different होता है. So make sure you do this whole thing and then only decide which breed you want to go for. And now number 5, अगर आपने decide कर लिया that you want a pet, I would tell you that these are the 5 things must have. ऐसा होता है ना जब baby घर में आने वाला तो you make these baby bags, you get ready with everything. So make sure you have these 5 things for sure. So first one will be a pee pad. So basically puppies जो होते हैं ना वो ज़्यादा control नहीं कर पाते तो they pee very often. So for that you would need pee pads, and then you will also need house training spray. So basically आप ये spray pee pad पे डालते हो and it's it smells something weird or something like that. मतलब dogs के लिए I don't think it smells weird, and then it attracts them to pee on the pad itself. So these two are like must haves. And then you need some chewing toys because वो बहुत teething कर रहे होंगे, and for them you need to invest in some really good ones. And then you will need some wet wipes because वो गंदे हो जाएंगे and you have to clean them, and for first 3 months they can't even take shower, so these are going to come very handy. And fifth will be their sleeping mat. Why I'm saying sleeping mat and not a bed? Because जब तक वो थोड़े बड़े ना हो जाए ना, don't spend on a bed because beds are very costly. तो आप initially small ले लोगे उनके size का, let them grow fully and then only invest in a bed. Till then just get a sleeping mat for them. And yes, that's all for today. These are the 5 things you should know before getting a pet. I can also make a part 2 where I can tell you whether you should go for a male dog, female dog, or more questions if you have regarding pets and anything, and we can do another video. Let me know in the comments section below. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.